Right, welcome back to my channel, people. Today's video is just a quick review and rundown about this bike I've just bought. I'm not a massive cycling fanatic or cycling head. Don't think my channel is going to be getting taken over by push bikes, because it certainly isn't. I still love my vans and my transporters and camper conversions and all that. For those videos, check my channel out and you'll see them. This one is just a one-off video about the Boardman Adventure 8.8, which I've just gone and purchased. So quick rundown. I haven't had a bike for a while. I've had plenty of mountain bikes and sort of like BMXs and stuff over the years, but never really had a cross. So this is like an adventure bike. It's basically cross between a mountain bike and a road bike. Now the reason why I wanted one of these is because I've had, like I say, mountain bikes before, but I find them just a bit bulky for the road. And where I live, I've got a big seafront where I can go miles along, and it's nice and flat. So I wanted something I can go fast on, and which is also lightweight. This bike itself only weighs 10.5 kg, so it's literally like a feather, doesn't weigh a thing. And the reason for getting an adventure bike is because these tyres, you can basically go off like road a little bit, like onto the gravel or onto the grass. It's not gonna be a big deal. So yeah, you've also got the race bars which sort of like curled down. Brakes are here, and I never knew this, but this is how you change gear. You push it in and it will go up, and then you do that and then it will go down. No, that goes up and then that goes down. So yeah, that was a bit different. I thought the guy that I bought it from had sold me a wrong one because it wouldn't change gear, and yeah, that's it, you turn the brake lever. So that was quite odd. And yeah, so I was looking anyway. So I went on to Evans Cycles. They're having a nightmare at the minute. Like, you have to wait like weeks for a bike to turn up, because I bet everyone is in the same position as me. They all want a bit of transport. I nearly bought a Specialised from them, but after finding out how long it's going to take, I decided against it. I went on to Halfords. These were for sale for 750 quid, but I managed to get myself a deal. There was a guy on Facebook Marketplace. He was selling his one, and he wanted 425 for it, and I offered him 350, which he kindly accepted. He's even put mud guards on it. You can see it's not even really been used. He said he's had it like a year, but he prefers his road bike, and that's why he sold it. So yeah, I've basically just done a 1 hour ride on it. What I can tell you about the bike, like I say, I'm not a big cycling fanatic, but it's very light. Like, you go, look, one-handed, nice and easy. Saddle's a little hard, but I'm sure I'll get used to that. The riding position's good. I can get nice speed out of it. The gears, yeah, the gears are good. Changes gear nicely. You've got a very wide range of gears. When you're riding along the road, it comes to a nice rolling stop if you're going slow, and then if you're going quite quick and you just want it to roll, it will roll nice and fast. So yeah, that's good. And yeah, brakes work well. They're not hydro discs, they're just standard discs, so they're not as sharp as like your usual bikes out there. And I have read the reviews, and a lot of people are saying that they wish like it had hydro discs, but to be honest, for all the other bits it's got on it, it is really good. So if you're looking for a bike, now's a good time, because obviously everyone's got a bit more time on their hands, and to exercise and to use it for transport, why not? Like, when my van's back in action, well, not back in action, but when I'm able to use my van again, then obviously I'm going to take my bike with me, and yeah, get some more exercise in. So if you're thinking of buying a Boardman Adventure 8.8, go for it. I personally wouldn't pay 750 brand new for it, but I would definitely be happy paying approximately 450 for a second-hand one, which I've seen them go for. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please check my other videos out. If you're into like camper vans and transporter T5 conversions and whatnot, and yeah, give me a like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.